So we are going to see how to install Anaconda 3 and to find out the conda version, the Anaconda version, and also the Python version. So for this tutorial, so we are going to open our Firefox and we will go to Anaconda 3. So now install Anaconda from this link. So go to anaconda.com distribution. If you scroll down, you will see for Windows version we have Python 3.7 and Python 2.7. So we are going to install the 64-bit version for my machine. So yeah, go to click download. It will take a few minutes to download. Save the file. Yes, the download is been done. So if you just see it here, it's in my downloads folder. So right click on it and run as administrator. So install Anaconda 3. Yes. So it will take few minutes to install. So click next. Yes, I agree with the agreement, and I'm going to install it for all users with admin privilege. So I'm going to install my Anaconda 3 on the root. So it should be C drive and then Anaconda 3. So click next and then keep it as default. So Razer 3 as the system Python 3.7 is fine, but we are not going to define any path environment variables. We will do it later if we need it, but for this moment it's better I like to install it as it is. So now you can see which packages are being installed with Anaconda, because it happens like whenever you install Anaconda, so it comes up with a lot of packages, so you don't need to install them separately. So yeah, just wait for a few minutes. The installation is being completed. So yeah, so click next and yeah, I don't need these tutorial files, so click finish. When you finish it and then go to your start menu, and you can see the Anaconda 3 64-bit version is here. So just to check, we will click on Navigator, Anaconda Navigator. So click on Anaconda Navigator and wait. So you can see my Navigator is initializing, so just a few more seconds it will take. So now you can see when the Navigator is installed properly, you will see I'm saying okay, yes. You can see the programs installed on the root. So CMD prompt shell and Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook. Some people used to write their code in Jupyter Notebook, but for our case we are going to use Spider because this one is quite powerful and is similar to RStudio. So I'm going to use Spider for convenience. Yeah, now yes, the Navigator is installed properly. Yes, I want to quit from the Navigator. So now go and click on your Anaconda 3 64-bit version. Then click on the Anaconda Powershell prompt will pop up. Now I want to check which conda version we have installed in our system. So I will type conda / version. So it's saying me that I have installed Anaconda 64-bit version of 4.8.2. So Anaconda also comes up with a Python 3 install in itself. So let's check which Python version we have. So I will type Python. So if I just click on Python, so it will tell me, okay, so I have Python 3.7.6, which was created in January 8. So if you don't have Python installed, you can also install it from Python 3. So download Python and you can download the Python because this one is an open source software, so you don't need to worry and you don't need to pay. For our Anaconda version, we have that 3.7.6 Python as a default one. So if you can see these settings in your PC, that does mean we are on the same board. So we can keep continuing. So what I will do, gradually I will upload a lot of videos for geospatial analysis using Python, QGIS, R, and also I will upload many videos on ArcGIS, QGIS, the platforms that I have been using. Thank you for watching, and please share, subscribe and like.